So in this video, I want to go over how to go ahead and add new audio tracks to the system for the various pages. Now, I could come in here to the media library and add the media from here. Click on Add New, it'll bring me to the multi-uploader. I can drop files or go ahead and select files from there. And then once they're in the media library, I can embed them wherever I want in the system by using the media embedder. But also, you can actually just upload directly from the page while you're embedding the media. So I'm going to come over here first to the Listen page. And how this is configured is we've configured this. We thought that 5 would be about a good choice. There's only a couple in this section. We've removed those. We figured that 5 audio samples would be a good choice. And if people wanted to see more, then they could go ahead and click on these links, these buttons, which just take them to the various pages. I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and another page. And embedding audio on either of these pages is exactly the same process. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right here on the Live Ensemble page. Right here, we're going to go ahead and add in a sample track here at the bottom below this right here. So I'm on the page, and I'm just going to go ahead and come up here and click on Edit Page in the admin toolbar. And we will see the visual page builder once we come in. If we see a bunch of code like this, remember, just come over here and click on Backend Editor so you get this. And you'll see we have these all embedded here just inside of a text box. And if you'll see what we have here is we have the name of the file, and it is whatever the name of the track is. And we have that bolded, and then we have this little short code here that the system creates for us. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this text block. And I'm going to come all the way down here to the very, very, very bottom. Go ahead and click in here. Hit Enter once so that I get on a new line. And you'll see now my cursor's flashing on a new line. Now I'm going to add in the title of the track, which I believe over here was, second here, I have the title here. It is Silver Flight, which is one that we're not currently using. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Silver Flight, and then I'm going to come back down here, and here let me go ahead and expand this window a little bit so that you can see this a little better. So I've got this on its own line, and now I've come down here to a second line. I haven't bolded this yet. I'm going to bold that at the end. So I'm coming down here to a second line, and now what I want to do is I actually want to embed the actual audio file and upload it at the same time. Up here at the top, right below where you see it says text, there's a little button that says Add Media. So after you've added in your title and you've clicked Enter to go down to a new line, you're going to click on Add Media. That's going to take you to where we could insert a track from here, but I'm going to upload a new track. And I can come over here and select my track, or I could also, instead of selecting my track, I can also just drag and drop that right over here. And then it will go ahead and begin the upload process. Does the same thing. We're going to allow the track to upload. And then once the track is uploaded, we're just going to click Insert into Page. That is all we're going to do. Give it a moment. It will go ahead and insert that. Perfect. Then we're going to come up here and click on Bold to bold that for consistency. Click on Save Changes. And then remember, once we've saved our changes, we always need to update. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at our page. And we'll see now down here at the bottom, right below Xenia AC, we have Silver Flight, it's bolded, and we now have it embedded. Perfect. So now we want to go ahead and remove that because we don't want that there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Page. And go back into our administrative dashboard, into the editor for this page, and I'm going to open up this text block to edit it. And I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom. So remember, you've got 2 sliders over here, one here, and then once when you get over here to the actual WYSIWYG editor, there's another one in there. So I'm going to click anywhere on this audio file, or the graphic representation of it. Then I'm going to click Remove, and it's going to remove that. Simple as that. Then I'm going to go ahead and delete that, go back a line, and click Save Changes. Simple as that, just like you were editing something in Microsoft Word. these audio, this little bit of code right here that you see, this audio short code that is generated in the system behind the scenes with the WYSIWYG editor, so you don't have to worry about how short codes are actually configured in the system or anything. Short codes are used all the way through WordPress, all over the place, but luckily WYSIWYG editors usually build them in the background for us nowadays. So anyway, I apologize. Let's go back to the page. Oh, did I click update? Oh, no, I already did. Okay, perfect. So, we got Zany AC, and now we see our Silverlight is gone. Now, I'm going to come over here to the index page and show you that the only difference on the index page when you edit it is going to be that you have several more little widgets in here in the Visual Composer. You'll see we have a button and a spacer down below. What you need is click on that text block where all of these are located at, and then you can go ahead, come in right here, and go ahead and edit these. Remove them, or if you want to add one, just come over here and click down to a new line so that you can begin to add one. And you've got three sections here. You've got up here the live ensemble and the sound design, and then the studio MIDI right down here. Yep. So that is how you you modify and embed the embed audio here in the site on the three different pages. If you have any questions about that, just let us know. Thanks. Bye.